Hello, my dear friends. Let's understand the meaning of some sentences. Sentence number one: she didn't mean to put you in trouble means she didn't intend to put you in trouble. And this means what she did put you in trouble. That caused you to be in trouble. Okay? That troubled you. The second sentence: she meant to hurt me means she intended to hurt me. And this means she tried to hurt me but she couldn't. I was not hurt because of her act. Okay? Sentence number three: I meant to help you with English means it's my responsibility to help you with English. Okay? I'm a teacher and a teacher is expected to help their students with the subject, with the knowledge he has, with the subject he teaches. Okay, so here be meant to means we talk about responsibility, okay, expectation. But we can also use be meant to talk about something which is destined. When we talk about somebody's fate, somebody's destiny, we can use this to mean that. I'm meant to struggle for livelihood means struggling for livelihood is my destiny. If something is bound to happen because that has been destined, okay, that is the fate of somebody or something. So here we can use be meant to for this sense. Okay, so I'm meant to struggle for livelihood means it is my fate, it is my destiny to struggle for livelihood. And now let's have a look at another pair of sentences where be meant to are used in the present and in the past for the different meanings. Parents are meant to look after their kids means it's the responsibility of the parents to look after their kids. Okay, it is believed that the parents look after their kids and they are expected to look after their kids. But if that is used in the past, like parents were meant to look after their kids means they were expected but they failed. I'm talking about the parents, specific parents. The parents here, the is missing when we use in the past. The parents were meant to look after their kids, but they failed in the past. Okay, they are meant to be together. Here another meaning means this is their destiny. They are meant to be together. This is their destiny, that they are together or they will be together because the things are happening in their favor. They were meant to be together. Here it happened. They came together, they were together, they got married to each other. So here they were meant to be together means that happened. Now let's understand some other phrases where mean is used. Okay, you are intelligent enough to understand me. What I'm saying, you're intelligent enough, I think, to understand me. I mean it means I'm telling you the truth that you are intelligent enough to understand me. Okay, here I mean it means I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth, you're really intelligent to understand me. Okay, so here I mean it means I'm telling you the truth. I'm serious about what I'm saying. Okay, your support means a lot to me. I mean it. Your support, you know what I mean by support? Your support means a lot to me, means it is everything to me. I mean it means I'm telling you the truth that you support. If you support me, that means a lot to me. Okay, I appreciate that. Do you understand what I mean? Mean means what I want to say here. Okay, and the last but not least, priests are meant not to be mean to others. Here mean means bad means not good for others. Okay, and if you think that was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.